and located in Pottstown, Pennsylvania, in Montgomery County. And this is not a message that where you need to be scared. This is not a message where you need to be fearful. This is a message so you can take advantage of the opportunity that you've been putting off for such a long time. This is a consumer awareness from BioClean, which is the name of my company. And I am, as I said, an indoor air quality specialist. Now, right now, the government has shut down all the schools and many meeting event facilities for the next couple weeks because of the new pandemic that's going around right now. So a lot of the children are going to be home. You may be working from home. So I just have one question for you. It's great that you're quarantining yourself, but is your home quarantinable? How healthy is your home? Now, no, I'm not saying that there's a virus running around your house or anything like that, but this is consumer awareness. The government is telling us to wash our hands, which is something we already know. But let me tell you something you may not know. When you clean your carpets over 31 years that I've been in business, you are under the assumption that a professional carpet cleaning is the same as you cleaning your carpets. Well, first of all, cleaning your carpets cost you money. Restoring your carpets save you money. And a professional certified hot water truck mounted extraction is exactly what that will do. It will restore your carpets and your furniture because most of you do not know that carpet and upholstery and mattresses, as well as air ducts, are what? They're all indoor air filters. So, yes, I don't want you to be nervous and fearful because carpet isn't the problem. Dirty carpet is because it's a filter. And just like a vacuum cleaner bag in your vacuum cleaner, once it gets full, the vacuum's not going to work well. Well, the carpet in your home, if it's cleaned professionally, will do what? It will filter all the germs and airborne pollutants down to your carpet the way it's supposed to be. The same thing with all your upholstery. It filters it. Your mattress, I don't even want to tell you what's in your mattress. Maybe you have some idea, maybe you don't. But all of these are indoor air filters. Now, you know you should get them clean. A lot of you try to buy these Shark vacuum cleaners, these smart wash machines that they have on the market now. Let me tell you something. They don't produce the suction to fully do an extraction. They don't produce the heat to burn and kill the germs and pollutants that are airborne in your environment. And once again, I am not by any means necessary connecting this to the pandemic that's going on right now. I'm telling you this because this is consumer awareness. Everyone is in a cleaning frenzy, but everyone doesn't know how to properly clean. And the biggest mistake that you could ever make is to think that you cleaning your carpet or you cleaning your upholstery is the same as a truck mounted. I want you to hear these words: a truck mounted hot water extraction. Ladies and gentlemen, your children are home for the next 2 weeks. Maybe you are working out of your home for the next 2 weeks. So, here at BioClean, in these yard sale groups that I'm in, if you're a member and you see this video, and even if you're not, if you're located in Montgomery County, Chester County, or Berks County, or Delaware County, I'm sorry, then you can take advantage of this offer that I'm offering right now. But I want you to understand, this offer is only good if you or any relatives in your home have not left the country within the last 2 weeks. Once again, this offer is only good for anyone that has not left the country or anyone that lives in a household have not left the country in the last 2 weeks. Now, this special that I'm getting ready to run is good for 2 weeks. So after 2 weeks, if you've left the country or anyone in your household has left the country, then yes, we can also do this for you. But the special is this: if you hire BioClean within the next 2 weeks to clean your carpet, your upholstery, or your mattresses, we will add a EPA sanitizer to the cleaning at absolutely no cost. That is a savings if you got the furniture and the carpet and the mattress clean of $150. That means your carpets, your furniture, and your mattresses, whatever that will come out to be, we will add the sanitizer, which is a value added to that of $150 at absolutely no cost, only for the next 2 weeks. And if you are watching this at a later date, this is being podcast and broadcast on Friday, March 13th. So therefore, on March 23rd, 2020, this will expire. So if this is in between the weeks of March 13th, Friday, March 13th, and March 23rd, then you can take advantage and get your house fully sanitized as well as clean with a registered EPA sanitizer. Now, this is very important that you hear this disclaimer. I am not saying by any way, shape, or form that this is going to stop the pandemic that's running around right now. But you also must know, by washing your hands and buying all the toilet paper up out the grocery stores and all the sanitizer and all the wipies and all the Lysol wipes, that is still not going to guarantee that the pandemic is not coming your way. But to take all the preventative measures as possible, as you should, that's going to help do what? Make sure that you're doing everything you can to keep you and your household safe. So once again, I, your indoor air quality specialist here at BioClean, want you to understand that your carpets, your upholstery, your mattresses, your air ducts, even the grout in your bathrooms and maybe foyers and kitchen floor are filters in your home. How are they filters? Because they harbor and pull down all the airborne particles and germs that are floating in your airflow. So by getting them cleaned and removed, by getting them sanitized at no additional cost, is making your house healthier. The question that is scrolling down at the bottom of this video is, how healthy is your home? And a lot of you don't know. So for the next 2 weeks in Montgomery County, in Berks County, in Chester County, and in Delaware County, you have the opportunity to not have to ask yourself, how healthy is your home? By calling 484 253 6400. Or you can just leave, I'll put it in the comments, or you can just inbox me and I will have our customer service department give you a call and get you right on the schedule. Remember, this is something that you should do. I know you've been putting it off. Who wants to sit home all day waiting for the cleaners to come in and clean, sanitize, or whatever we're going to do? Who has time and who wants to deal with that? Well, now this has came upon us. So hopefully, since your kids are already home, since you'll probably be working from home, or even if you're not, and even if you don't have kids, don't you just think that it's time? Don't you think it's time to clean all the indoor air filters in your home? Well, I'm the owner of BioClean, Roger Lloyd. The name says it all. We get the germs out with the dirt. Thank you, and we'll be waiting to hear from you. Stay safe.